Good morning and welcome to our Young Community Development Program, which is based on uplifting the youths and to empower them to uplift their lives. And today in the house we are going to host Mr. Wycliff Yongo. Yeah, he's together with us today so that we can discuss some of a few questions that many of you have been asking. And to go straight to the point, Mr. Wycliff.
Yes.
What can you tell the people here?
Hi, my name is Otieno, Wycliff, from Africa, Kenya, and I'm privileged and honored to be with Nixon today in the house.
So, Mr. Wycliff, I'll go straight away to the question side, and my first questions that people have been asking me is about permaculture. What actually is permaculture?
To me, permaculture means a different thing to different people. Some call it, like, with the term permaculture, there is an abbreviation of permanent agriculture. Other call it permanent culture. It's the same thing as 6 plus 3, it's 9. So it does 2, 4 plus 5. But they're thinking in a different way, but they're still driving to the same point, to the same answer. That's what I can say. Different people come with different definitions, but still all around the definition are correct.
The same.
Yes.
Yeah. That's all about the definition of the term permaculture from the founder himself. And from that perspective, we are going to ask the second question. What about to you personally, Mr. Wycliff? Personally to you, what do you understand by the term permaculture?
Permaculture is sustainable land use design, which is normally based on like ecological and biological principles, often used with patterns that occur in nature, as in to maximize the effect while minimizing the waste of energy.
Right.
Yes.
And now that is your personal understanding of the word permaculture.
Yes.
When you talk about permaculture, what is the aim of permaculture in the community?
The aims of the permaculture is not only based in a community but worldwide, I can say on Earth. The aim of permaculture is a creation of a stable and productive system that provides we humans with our needs harmoniously, integrating the land with its inhabitants.
Yeah, viewers all over the world, I think you understanding what Mr. Wycliff is just talking about. And before we go to our short break, Mr. Wycliff, I would like to ask my last question before we go. What can you tell the community? What can you tell the community about permaculture?
What I can say to the community about permaculture is a way to life. Permaculture is not a thing, but permaculture is a thing that makes to help our environment to be a better place. That is it.
Viewers all over, I think you've heard from Mr. Wycliff Yonko about permaculture. I've been your host, Mr. Nicholas Barasa. We'll just be right back after the break.
After the break. It was a break.